welcome to Wild Flora. Today I am sharing with you a bit of my gardening this spring. This is a part of the property that we tend to spend most of our time in. My son loves playing in a sandbox and loves running around this area. And where we live, we actually have massive boulders everywhere. So it can be kind of difficult to garden because when we are gardening, we always tend to find lots of big rocks hidden underneath the soil. But what I wanted to share with you guys today is some of our plans and ideas for this part of the land. My boyfriend loves permaculture, if you've heard of that. My personal definition of it would be like working with nature's built-in ecosystem. So you're not necessarily ripping nature completely apart and just creating your own manicured landscaping.
I found a really big rock that maybe you want to get out.
And then my favorite style of gardening is cottage gardening, which is similar to permaculture, but permaculture is more of a way of gardening, and cottage garden is a style which is very charming with mixed flowers. It's not super structured, not manicured. It's informal, which I absolutely love. I love colorful flowers, and my son loves being outdoors, and he loves climbing rocks and running around everywhere. So I kind of want to be able to mix all of those things together to create a very fun oasis for us. We tend to spend lunches out here, and I want to be able to sit down and eat while he's playing and just enjoy nature, especially in the summer months when it tends to get really hot. The last thing I want to do is be outside. So if I create a beautiful little oasis, it will entice us to want to come out here more often. And that's honestly all my son ever wants to do. The area that I'm planting today is a part sun, part shade area. During the summer months, it tends to get very hot here. And I picked out some azaleas, salvia, and then we're also going to be planting some wildflowers too. We actually planted these wildflowers on the other side of the property on the hillside, and I'll show you here how they look because we already have some there growing. So hopefully that will come up. But I planted some of these here, and then I left the bag of wildflowers out, and two different things happened to them. One, the next day there was downpour of rain, so they started to sprout in the bag because I didn't put them in a Ziploc baggie. And then a bear came by and took a bite of the bag of wildflowers. So that was all that I got from those wildflowers, that huge bag, and I was only able to plant a very little bit of it. Plan was to spread these wildflowers everywhere, but I won't be able to do that because a bear and the rain got to it. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I know it was a little bit different in comparison to my crochet videos, but I am truly enjoying working with the seasons. Summer months are so perfect for gardening, knitting, sewing, and winter months, I can just imagine myself cozy by the fireplace with hot chocolate and crocheting a blanket. It is just so much fun to be able to change up the hobbies depending on the weather. I hope you guys all have a beautiful day, and I will talk to you in another video. Bye.